Nagkakilala kami ni May, I think, dung birthday celebration ng one of our friends, no? So, merong celebration, merong konting inuman. And then, ang pinaka-memorable sa akin doon is yung...
Binato ko siya ng tansa doon. Kasi natutulog na siya. Lahat kasi doon, parang, syempre party, lively, lahat nag-inuman. Tapos, siya, antukin, parang natutulog na siya. Tapos, para lang magising siya. Binato ko siya ng tansa ng beer. Doon yata nakuha yung attention ko.
Isa yung hulog ng langit for me. So, doon kami nagkakilala.
Something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branch.
Binest friend niya ako. Nag-start kami sa pagiging best friends. Like, ako yung taong hirap mag-open up sa iba. Hindi ako basta-basta nagtitiwala. And nung na-share ko sa kanya yon, parang sabi niya sa akin, o sige, gawin mo akong best friend para nga ma-share ko daw yung ma-express ko lahat ng problema ko, ma-share ko lahat. And then, ayun.
Niligawan ko siya after nung one moment na nakita ko siyang umiiyak. No, lagi na ako nagpaparamdam sa kanya, nagtitext. And then one time, niyaya ko siyang lumabas. So, nag-date kami. So, after nun, I think babalik na kasi siya sa Nueva Ecija. But I pursue her pa rin kahit LDR or something like that. Kasi I want her talaga.
This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know.
Feds, for the months and years na hindi tayo magkasama, walang araw na lumipas na hindi ko inisip na sana dumating na ang araw na to. Ang simula ng habang buhay nating pagsasama. Being in a long-distance relationship is not easy. Maraming pagkakataon na ginusto nating sumuko. Pero dahil sa pagmamahal, pagtitiwala at pangunawa, mas pinili nating ituloy at lumaban. Sa lahat-lahat na pinagdaanan natin, salamat at hindi ka bumitaw. Tulad na lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo, I am so lucky to have you as my husband, my lifetime partner, and my best friend. You are an absolute example of a man I would like my future daughter to marry. A man who's very loving, respectful, responsible, kind, warm, and most of all, God-fearing.
Somewhere only we know.
First time to meet you, how could I be wrong? I swear that I've known you all along. Conversations honest and our hearts are straight.
I choose this gift because I know how you like to keep memories through taking pictures. This is for more sweet and unforgettable moment of us to capture. I hope you like it. I love you, your wife.
You and me, no one's
Wow!
trying to stop this.
Ang ganda!
Who am I?
Thank you for this wonderful gift. Actually, magagamit talaga natin to by keeping all our memories through pictures. So, salamat at I love you. Thank you.
If you're lost, you fall,
asawa ko,
no matter
the day
where
is all
you
about
are.
you. Please accept this simple gift from me. It's really hard to pick one since halos lahat yata meron ka na. But I hope you will like it. See you later, asawa ko. I love you. Feds.
What if you believed me?
Oh, necklace.
Mine. What
Wow.
if we could make it our whole lives, despite the ones that doubt us? This is home. This is right. If you're gone, I'm here. I could meet you. If you're lost, you fall. I'm beneath you. No matter where you run, I'll be the one to follow you down. I ain't holding on to a dream that's gone. This is real, and I will always stand.
4 years ago, I asked God to send the right person for me.
Face your sins,
And nagpapasalamat ako binalik ka niya sa akin. And today, in front of me, I'm marrying the woman I prayed for.
urgency to call.
Thank you for loving me and coming back into my life.
Hear your voice.
You will always be my greatest love
I'm
and
here.
my greatest blessing.
How come
I love you.
me?